Alright guys, welcome back to the Tasty Tasty. And today, we're gonna cook up some Hawaiian lemon basted pineapple teriyaki chicken. And what you'll need is a can of crushed pineapples. Voila! It's very cheap. Lemon. Some lemon. Yeah. Some Tyson preheated chicken. Oh yeah, we're gonna blacken it. It's really easy, really simple. I'll show you how to do that. Some peppers. You can do hot peppers, but I just got, your green and red big peppers, not spicy, just a little sweet, a little kick to it. Some red onion. You don't have to have this, but I like it. So red onion crushed. Alright. A little cream cheese for the chicken. We're just gonna kind of top that on, just a little extra up, make it a little thicker, give it a little thickness, and of course, slap your mama spices, Cajun seasoning. So get your slap your mama, and teriyaki sauce, of course. Okay, so the pineapple and teriyaki sauce will be the last thing that we add, because those things will heat up very quickly. Well, at least teriyaki will, and the pineapple as well, so that will be the last thing we add. So first things first, we're going to blacken our chicken. Not hard. All you do is you heat up your stove to like a hot, semi-hot temperature, and then you're good to go. So get that ready. We're going to chop some peppers up. You know how to do that, I hope. So we'll come back to you. Chop up our peppers. Now, the red onion. Real simple. We're just going to sprinkle it on. Okay? So, sprinkle. Good to go. We're not going to throw that in until our chicken's done. Once the chicken's done, we're going to throw this bad boy in, put a little lemon on it, and it's going to taste good, son. And don't forget, slap your mama. Yeah, mama. Alright guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to heat it up to almost high. We're going to put it about 3/4 of high. And then we're going to add olive oil. Not butter, but olive oil. It works. So, some olive oil. Like that. We might need some more, so we're going to leave it open. Let's put that to the side. And then add our chicken. You can smell that. That's good. Alright. Now there's going to be a lot of grease popping. It's like bacon, olive oil bacon. Use a little towel or whatever. Or if you want, you can just do that. Whatever. I mean, that's probably the best idea right there. But yeah, I'll fucking do that. But got our peppers and shit all buttery. Got our butter in there, our coconut butter or oil, whatever. We'll add that secondly. So let it cook. Just chill out, let it cook, heat up. Kind of get both sides. Get them lubed up. Give it that nice crispy blackness. It's starting to brown, so it's good on the olive oil. So just kind of chill out. Let it do its thing. Add a little lemon. Whatever. See all that grease? It's going crazy. don't have to flip it over this much, but I do anyway. Oh yeah. There we go. It's a lot of grease, man. Look at that. It's all like water and shit. Alright, so our chicken is almost done. Look at that. Check it out. Got nice marks on it. Okay, now that our chicken is almost done, we're going to turn the heat down. Season our chicken, put some pineapple juice on it, teriyaki, slap your mama, of course. And then we're going to add our vegetables, top it off, season it a little bit more, and we're done. Alright, now we got our heat turned down. Add some more olive oil. Oh, titties. Okay, done with that. Now, add our vegetables, lemon, onions, peppers, all that good stuff. Add that in there. And while that gets started, juicing out, that won't take long. Now, we're gonna season our motherfucking chicken in. Here's our chicken over here. I'll get you a better shot. Ah, shit. Ah, please. Okay. Whatever. I got that for that chicken, man. Tell me that does not look good. So, I'll slap your mama. Oh, don't slap your mama too hard. Just kind of slap your mama. Yeah. Add a little teriyaki. A lot of teriyaki because I love teriyaki. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Then we'll take our knife, add a good amount of cream cheese. Just like that. Like who gives a fuck? Just slop it on there. There you go, man. Now we're gonna finish up. Add the rest of our lemons right now. That's pretty good right there now. That's a lot of juice. There you go. We're gonna finish up. That's that. Let it heat up a bit. Alright. I think we're pretty much good. Yeah, we'll just add a little pineapple. Voila. A little teriyaki. There you go, son. Mix that around. And that is how you make Hawaiian chicken. There you go, man. That's it.